Today on my channel, guys, we are cooking creamy, tasty potato and ham soup. So let's get started. To get started making our creamy, tasty potato and ham soup, we're going to need some ham. That's smoked ham there. We're going to need 3 to 4 sticks of celery, about a cup of baby carrots here, and a half an onion, that's a yellow onion, and 4 or 5 medium-sized gold potatoes there. Yeah, that's good. Okay, let's get started chopping. Okay, let's go ahead and chop up our ham first here. We're just going to go ahead and roll that up. Just like that. And we're going to cut it up. And we're going to turn them sideways like this and just cut them up again. Okay, let's put them in a bowl. Now we'll just go ahead and chop up some of these baby carrots. Cut some of them big ones in half, you know. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now we'll put them in a bowl. Now we're going to take this half a yellow onion and we're going to cut that in half. Put that aside, and we're going to chop this up. Okay, we're going to put them in a bowl. Okay, let's cut up some potatoes. These are gold potatoes. We just slice them up. Okay, we'll put them in a bowl. Okay, there you have our potatoes. Can you see them? Wow, nice. Now we're going to cut up some celery here. Let's get another piece, put it on top. Okay, we're going to save some of the leaves for on top. Makes like a good garnish. Okay, we're going to put them in a bowl. Okay. Okay, for the ingredients for our creamy, tasty potato and ham soup, we have a cup of carrots here, a cup of onions, it's a yellow onion, a cup of ham here, it's a smoked ham, a cup of celery and some celery leaves for garnish, and we have 5 to 6 medium-sized gold potatoes that we coarsely chopped up here. So let's get started cooking. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay guys, today we're going to be testing out this new pot that we have here by Joy Fair. It's a stainless steel 3-quart saucepan. I don't know if you can read that or not, but it's all stainless steel and it's really heavy. Alright, so we're going to put it through the test here and see how it does. See if anything sticks or see if it discolors. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's set our burner to medium. Put some oil in the pan here. Let that heat up a little bit. Okay, now we're going to put 2 tablespoons of minced garlic in there. Okay, we'll give that a little stir. Okay, to that we're going to add some butter here, about 3 patties. Okay, let's stir that around a little and break up our butter. Get it melted in there good. Boy, this is smelling good already. Wish you could smell this. Okay. Okay, that looks pretty good. To that, we're going to put our cup of onions in here that we chopped up. And our cup of carrots here. And our cup of celery here. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, let's give that a stir. Okay, let's cover that and let that cook a little bit here. Let those vegetables soften up a little. Okay, let's see how we're doing here. Okay, they're looking good. Okay, to that we're going to add 1 tablespoon of rosemary, 1 tablespoon of thyme, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and we'll stir that in. Okay, now we're going to add a little bit of vegetable stock here. Put that in there. About half for now. Give that a little stir. Boy, this is smelling really good. Yeah, that's looking good there. Alright, now we're going to add our potatoes in there. The 5 or 6 potatoes that we cut up. Put them right in there. It's a lot of them. Okay, now we'll give them a little stir. Okay, now we're going to add the rest of our vegetable stock or broth, whatever you have there. Okay, we're going to cover that and let that cook for maybe 15 minutes or so. Okay, let's see how we're doing here. Is the potatoes soft? Yeah, they're pretty soft. That's good. Alright, it's been about over 15 minutes, so it's closer to 20. But we're going to add about half a cup of milk here. Now if you have heavy cream, go ahead and put that in there. And we're going to stir that around a little. Boy, that looks good. Now to that, we usually add a little bit of flour to our milk and stir it in. But today we're going to use instant potatoes. We're going to put them right in there. It's about a 1/4 cup. Because what goes good with potatoes? Instant potatoes. It's a great thickener, so you ought to give it a try. Just go ahead and stir that in. It's getting good. Okay, we'll cover that and let that cook just a little bit. Maybe another 5 minutes. Okay, let's see how we're doing here. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. All right, let's lower our heat, turn it off. And we're gonna add our, it's already pre-cooked lunch meat type smoked ham. So we're gonna put that in there. Yeah, we didn't want to overcook this because that tastes too good. Okay, let's stir that in. Okay, now to that we're going to add a little bit of parsley. And we're going to stir that in. Boy, that looks good. It smells even better. Can't wait to get into that. Okay, now all we have to do is serve that up and take a taste test. Okay guys, let's get some of this out of here, see how we're doing. Oh, that's really nice looking. Our creamy potato soup here. It's got the ham in there and the onions and the celery. Boy, is that tasty looking. Wow. Look at that. Let's get a little bit of ham over here. Extra potato. And we went ahead and made some garlic bread here. And because it has celery in it, we're going to put some celery leaves. Beautiful. Okay guys, there it is. Our creamy, tasty potato and ham soup with celery, carrots, onions, and garlic. Yeah. Okay, let's just have a little taste here. Oh yeah. Can you see it? Wow. All right. Wow, is that good. I tell you, on cold winter days, that'll definitely stick to your ribs. Boy, is that tasty too. Yep. You're gonna love this. Yep, with the minced garlic and butter, sauteed carrots, celery, and onions. Yeah, that makes it taste good. And those seasonings in there, yep, can't beat that right there. Boy, is that tasty. Yeah, you know, go good with that right there. Yep, a wobble pop. Yeah, that sounds good. Since I'm eating it for lunch, it really does sound good. Yeah, also the Joy Fair tri-ply saucepan. It's a 3-quart with a glass lid. It worked out really good. It cleaned up really nice. Yeah, they're really good. I'll leave a link in the description for that. Yep, they're good. Okay guys, if you're enjoying some of these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.